Hello, welcome to On Print Shop. In this video, we will learn about the new upgrade feature, 3D Product Preview. In this release, we bring the product's interactive 3D design preview for your customers. It will help your customers to know exactly how the print will look like after it's printed. We will provide the following previews. First is 360-degree preview for single-page flat products, like business cards, letterheads, etc. Also available for multi-page flat products like brochures, pocket folders, etc. Second is 3D model preview for model products like mugs, t-shirts, pillows, etc. We also support custom models for other products like stubby holders, bottles, etc. with additional cost, depending on its model creation complexity. Let's have a look into the admin. First of all, we need to go to Designer Studio, Studio Settings, and then 3D Preview. Here we have 3D Preview tab, as you can see. Here, we need to configure the product as per the sizes available. When you click on Preview button, it will redirect you to the storefront on the product page. Click on Browse Design, select any design and go to Design Studio and click on Preview button here. Now you can see the 360-degree preview is appearing and you can view it in any dimensions. Second feature is 3D Preview, as you can see in mug product, when you go and click on Preview button. This is how the 3D preview will look into the Designer Studio. Similarly for t-shirt product, as you can see when you go and click on Preview button. This is how the 3D preview will look into the Designer Studio. In admin side, if we talk about, there is a script required to set up these kind of preview products which only our technical team can create. Here we have two buttons. One is for Assign 3D Model, where you can assign it by using either the product size or option-wise. So, according to it, your customers can see the preview. Here we have various 3D model types in two forms, GLTF and script. We can select default script and create previews for products like business cards. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any further concern, feel free to connect with us on live chat support.